Welcome back my YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you how to remove the iPhone X glass without damaging the phone. We can remove it very easily. Keeping the proper temperature while removing the glass of the phone, so that the board and battery in the phone are not damaged. If you use very high temperature, then you may have problem with phone's NFC first, and then battery and board later. You may face various types of faults, and there may be chances of the phone getting completely dated. In order to properly fit the back on it, it is important that the grief on it, which we have previously removed from the broken back, is well serviced so that the back adjusts to its proper position when fitted. With the help of normal temperature, you can easily remove the glue on it. We want to tell you how to clean the dust from the front camera and back camera of iPhone X so that you can get a good camera result. Be careful not to touch the camera lens while cleaning the phone's back camera. It is best to clean the camera lens by wiping it with cotton buds so that no marks appear on the lens. The front camera and dot projector lens should also be cleaned with cotton buds so that no dirt can be seen and you can get a good result of the camera. For the backing, we will use T800. It is a very good glue, and has a very good result. We hope you will like our video. Thank you very much for watching.
Yes!
For more videos like this, like and subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get notified of every new video.